Welcome to this episode of Random Things on a Mountaintop. Today we're going to learn how to make whiskey sours, and when I say we, I literally mean we, because I may be an expert at logistics when it comes to organizing things in the mountains, but I've never actually made a whiskey sour. So I went and Googled how to do so, and some recipes have eggs and some don't. And I thought, well, where's the fun in not having to try to bring an egg up a mountaintop? So here's my egg. The first challenge is to separate the egg white, which I don't even remember the last time I did this. So this could be a colossal disaster. We're gonna see how this goes. Oh God. Ugh. What is that? I'm scared. Come on, break open without spilling all over the place. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. We have whiteage. I did sanitize my hands on the way up here. Okay, so there's some egg whites. Oh, Jesus. I'm way more terrified of this than I am climbing any mountain. Okay, one more. So there we have egg white. And one thing that's super important when you're doing anything in a mountain is to always leave no trace whatsoever. So we've already planned in advance that Laura is gonna drink the egg yolk. And we have to carry these back down, leave no trace. So never leave your egg yolk randomly on a mountainside or your other things. Okay, so that was, yum. That was ingredient number one. Ingredient number two is fresh lemon that I'm now getting lemon juice all over my tights. Oh jeez. So this is also how to get random assorted food item schmeariness all over your clothing. So now we squeeze this fresh lemon juice. Yeah, it was interesting when I was packing all this stuff to bring it up here. So half of the stuff came in my pack, and then Laura brought up some stuff as well. And we randomly decided last night that we were going to do this. So it was like, I happen to have a lemon in my fridge. It also calls for simple syrup, which I didn't even know what that was. So I Googled how to make simple syrup. And the only thing I had at home was brown sugar. So I made some simple syrup by melting brown sugar in water on the stove. And look, it's like this brown liquid. And of course, again, leave no trace. We will be bringing the lemon rind down the mountain with us. A little bit of simple syrup. Honestly, have no idea about ratios. What? Is that going to be too sweet, Laura? Okay, we'll add a little bit more. And then Laura's husband happened to have some bitters at home, so we're going to put some bitters in there. I don't know how much of that, like that. Is that enough? And then a wee little sploosh of, this is Jim Beam. Wee little sploosh of that. Oops. That's one shot. Maybe we can squeeze one more shot in for the two of us. Okay, so now we pre-shake. Oh dear. And now we have to make it cold. So we brought up some ice. This glass came all the way from Antarctica, courtesy of ALE. And it's the only glass I own at home for drinking such a beverage because I don't typically drink such beverages. All right, so there's a couple rocks for me. This one's gonna be Laura's. Now we add fresh, clean ice. Whoops, that's a lot. And now it's like, oh yeah, this is the full cocktail shaker experience. Let's see what we got. Cheers. That's not bad. I'd drink it. Cheers, Laura. Cheers. Thank you for watching. If you found this mildly entertaining, please give this video a like below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have an idea for the next random thing to do on a mountaintop, please leave it in the comments below because I'm always looking for new ideas. Cheers.